Small space can be a great thing if you use it to your advantage. The size of your home doesn't have to be a limiting factor if you live wisely. As long as you have a few key tips in mind, you can make your small home feel like a spacious one. By following these simple tips, you can create a space that's both functional and stylish. Number 1. Choose natural colors. When it comes to your small home, it's important to choose neutrals. White space, for example, can be used to great effect by painting walls a light beige or cream color. Number 2. Kitchen space is key. One of the first things you'll want to consider when designing your small home is kitchen space. One way to do this is to use less counter space and instead maximize cabinet space. Number 3. Use less furniture. Limited space doesn't have to mean having to live without furniture. In fact, using less furniture can actually help to maximize your home's storage space. Number 4. Maximize your lighting. Light sources are one of the most important aspects of any home. By using the right light fixtures, you can create a space that feels both comfortable and welcoming. Number 5. Declutter and organize. As your home begins to feel more spacious, it's important to start organizing and decluttering. This will help to free up storage space and make your home more navigable. Number 6. Storage is the key. One of the biggest challenges when it comes to small home design is storage. Some simple tips to follow include using built-in shelves and drawers, installing a pantry or cupboard, and using floating or wall-mounted shelves. Number 7. Live wisely. Making a to-do list can be a great way to keep track of your goals and make sure that you're taking advantage of all the space that you have. In addition, think about ways to use your small home to its full potential. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.